Rarely you see a design that does not use mounting clips to secure the wires or cables in place. In SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2021, we enhanced the Route Edit Through Clip functionality. After associating connectors from the schematic with the 3D part, you can simply route harness. The red and green wires are only partially secured through a few clips. To finish securing these last two wires through clips, let's edit the route. Choose the Route Edit Through Clip tool, and then select the axis of the clip and choose the wires you want to route through that clip. In the Property Manager, a new Arrange Routes section allows you to manually arrange wires with user-defined offset, merge route to a single point, or auto-arrange the routes. We will repeat the process for the clip on the other end to secure the red and green wires through that clip. It's just that easy. Enhancements to Route Edit Through Clip capability will help designers quickly secure wires or harnesses through clips using the new controls added in the Property Manager.